you deal with a jealous partner who's not willing to talk about it? That's a very common question that I get asked by my couples in my couples therapy. And you know what? Let's talk about it. So if your partner is jealous and they don't want to evaluate and they don't want to look inward and figure out where that jealousy is stemming from, it's probably a pretty toxic relationship. So let's kind of evaluate how we can navigate that toxicity and help them come out of their shell. Number one, we're going to use I messages. I feel like blah, blah, blah. So how I use an I message is in 4 parts. Number one, I'm going to tell you what your behavior did to me. When you acted out at the club the other night, it made me feel disrespected. It made me feel overlooked. It made me feel whatever it made you feel. We're going to use feeling words. And then I'm going to say why it made me feel that way. It made me feel that way because I don't think you're trusting me and my ability to navigate guys at the club, whatever it is. And then we're going to add a 4th part is what we prefer. I prefer you trust me, and if I need you, I'm going to come to you.